Can you describe it to me? Can you describe it to me? I think you deserve this. I think you deserve this. I don't desire to stay here. I don't desire to stay here. I will give you some details. I will give you some details. You can develop yourself. You can develop yourself. I discovered something important. I discovered something important. Tell me, why are you crying?